How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and this is TorqueTube18. So for today's video, I ordered a window sticker for the back, written TorqueTube. If you watched my last video, I took out the previous one that I put on my mom's truck because it started peeling off. But this one I actually bought a real sticker from Vistaprint. Cost me $45. I did my logo, everything, and I measured the window in the back to put it. So let me crack open this box and we're gonna install it on the car and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so here is the banner. So I'm not gonna open it up right away. So we're just gonna place it on the car, see what it looks like. Fast. Now I just realized something. We can't put it too high because there is the brake light. So I don't know, we might just put it in the middle like this, or either in the bottom, because as you see, we put it high. The TORQ goes right onto the brake light. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna put it here. I don't know, we're gonna put you guys on a tripod and we're gonna install it. Okay guys, so it is the next day here because yesterday actually got late on us and it was really dark, so you couldn't see the sticker. But now I'm going to show you the finished product. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Really happy with how it turned out. So if you guys want a banner like this, go ahead to Vistaprint, make your own banner. And this one that I made cost me $45, fairly cheap to the other companies out there. So smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. That's pretty much it for today's video. Peace out.